everyone, Mama Beach here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a really quick unboxing with my son, Nash. Nash, can you say hi to everyone? Oh, he's so shy. So he wanted to help me do this video today. Sorry it's been a little quiet on my channel. We've all had this crazy cold in my house and we're finally starting to feel better today. So we want to come on here and do this quick video for you guys. So Nash is going to help us open this box. It is from Coach.
How many people watching us? Different people don't know.
It's a bunch of people we don't know. It could be hundreds of people or maybe thousands. Okay, you ready? Let's open this box. It's from Coach. It's one of their newest styles everyone's raving about, and I had to check it out. I will be doing a full review on my channel. Hold on, let's show everybody. Let's see what's inside the box. Look, there's just some paper inside, and we're gonna undo the sticker. Can you open the paper? Good job. They did put some stuffing in, so that's nice. This actually came from a local store, so normally when I get stuff from my local store, it doesn't come looking this nice. All right, so this came with a free gift. So this is a men's card case. I got it in the saddle color. This was free gift with purchase, and it actually comes with a little dust bag. So not something I really need, or that I don't know that my husband would actually use this. I might resell it or just use it as like a freebie. If somebody purchases something for me, I'll pass it along. So let's see, what's in here, Nash? What do you think this is? You think it's gonna be good? Are you excited? Yeah, okay, let's see what's inside. It is the Coach Cassie crossbody. Oh no, we have a knot problem here. Okay, here we go. We got the knot problem fixed. It is the Coach Cassie crossbody. What do you think, Nash? A crossbody. Can you say crossbody? Crossbody. And the name of it is called the Cassie. Can you say Cassie? Cassie. Very good. So I picked it up in the signature coated canvas with the rust colored leather trim. Everyone is raving about this bag as being one of the hottest new Coach bags right now. What? Look, what did you find? You found the strap. So I'll do undo a little bit of the packaging here just so you can take a quick look inside. You can see it has this red colored fabric on the interior. What do you think of that? Nice? And you can see it has lots of different compartments, so everyone's saying it's like the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse, so I'm excited to try it out and do a full review on my channel. Thank you, Nash, for being our guest star today. You did a wonderful job. Can you wave bye to everybody?
No, I'm scared.
You're scared to wave bye? All right, I'll wave bye to everybody then. Bye everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. You just click the subscribe button down below, hit the little bell if you want notifications of my videos, especially if you want to see the review of this bag, you have to hit that bell. It'll be one of my upcoming videos in the next couple of weeks. It'll be really soon, hopefully. Bye everyone.